welcome back to Ajmera Fashion. This is your friend Vaishnavi Chauhan, and in today's video I am going to show you a very traditional sari known as a Kanchipuram sari. So please keep watching this video if you want to Kanchipuram, if you want to keep Kanchipuram saris at your place, you want to sell Kanchipuram saris. So let's move further and let's see the first sample of our today's video. That is going to be this very beautiful sari with a great color. You can see it is very soft silk we are providing. Now in the silk there are lots of varieties. So this is going to be on a soft silk fabric. So let's open a proper piece first. Look, this is going to be the pallu. Look, you can see this sari is very brilliant, very soft in touch and very attractive at the same time. And you can see the work inside it. It has a jal concept, neck concept we have maintained. And same way I want to show you the pallu pattern. So you can see very soft pallu we have given, like it gives a two-tone shade. Now from this angle I am watching this particular piece, so it is reflecting, and from the flat it is not reflecting because of we have used a two-tone fabric. If you will wear this in a day in a sunlight, so that will reflect something else, and if you will wear this in a night, that will reflect something else. I want to show you blouse piece. So that is very heavy and very brilliant zari, that is known as a chuha zari. Look at this brilliant piece. Isn't this very attractive and elegant? So very brilliant piece this is. I just want to show you the catalog. So it has a really pretty catalog and color chart too. Let's open piece. So look, the sari we are watching here, the same sari you are getting. Now you might have a question that, ma'am, why this sari is too much reflecting? Let's first directly open this color first, then I will show you. Wow, so this is the sari. Directly open that color, so we will have to know, we will get to know. Look, so this much colors you will get in this particular catalog. Isn't these colors are very pretty and very attractive? So this is the color what we are watching here. It is same color, but you might have a question that, ma'am, why it is reflecting different? Because of golden chuha zari, as I told you, that is reflecting in light something else. So if you are watching this without light, so that is reflecting very sober. But if you will wear this in a sunlight or in a night light, if you are going somewhere at wedding, or you are going for a puja, for worship to idol, so that time this piece will look like really good. So want to keep this variety, want all of these pretty pieces in a wholesale, so you can keep the same piece we were watching. You can see the same color we are providing you here. So it is very brilliant piece. Let's move further. Let's see another piece. So another piece we are watching here, that is really very pretty. Now it has, previously we've seen a golden zari on it. Now on this particular piece, it has a silver zari. Yes, inside this whole sari we have provided a silver zari work. Let's just open this sari. Look, now it has a silver zari work. Now you can see the reflection. That reflection is just coming because of silver zari work. Also it has a really pretty border and very elegant color too. Now it is of everything coming set wise. Keep this important thing in your mind. Not single piece is available, you have to purchase everything in bunch, you have to purchase everything a set wise. So keep this one thing in your mind. Let's move further and let's see another brilliant masterpiece of Kanchipuram sari over here. So I have one very pretty sari. So let's properly open this piece first. Look at this. Look at this piece. Now you can see the color, that it is very warm color we are giving, and hot pink we are giving. The name of the color, that is hot pink, and it has a very pretty golden color work we are providing. Same way I want to show you the pallu, the mundani pattern. So this is going to be the pallu, and on the pallu there is a contrast color, that is green. And again I want to show you blouse piece. So look, this is going to be a very pretty blouse piece. So this is a very unique piece I am providing you, that is in a wholesale. So keep one thing in your mind, not single piece is available, you have to purchase everything set wise. Keep this one thing in your mind. Let's move further. Let's see another brilliant piece of Kanchipuram, traditional Kanchipuram sari. Let's open this masterpiece first. Look, now this sari is starting from here. So look, this is the sari, and I just want to show you a pallu piece too. So this is the pallu piece that is coming on a red color, and body is really attractive. Body of this sari that is really pretty and very attractive. It has a golden high zari work on it and coming with the really pretty colors. It has so many colors. If the set is a pieces of 6, so there are 6 colors will be different, 6 design will be different over there. Let's move further and let's see another pattern. Look, this is another pattern of Kanchipuram, traditional Kanchipuram sari with the Shiroski work on it. Yes, you can see on the pallu and on the borders we have done a Shiroski work with a high golden zari. So want to keep this beautiful and traditional Kanchipuram saris at your place, not just Kanchipuram but Pattu, Pochampalli, Paithani, Katpadar, Nawari, all kind of silk saris, also including Banarsi, all kind of silk saris we have here. So it's upon you. Want to start your business of cloth, want to sell it from your home or from shop, it's upon you. But want to sell, do come here. And if it's not possible for you to come here, do not worry, you can order everything online. For more details, numbers are on screen, just go there, call there, message there. For the information our online sales executive will provide you. So this was our video about silk sarees. If this video was informative for you, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is your friend Vaishnavi Chauhan. That's it for today. Signing off.